Saving can be especially challenging for women, and that's no coincidence. In addition to extra expenses like beauty products, clothes for various occasions, and childcare, there's also the reality of lower average salaries and fewer financial opportunities in many sectors. All of this creates barriers that make saving a significant portion of income feel out of reach. But here's the good news. Saving, even up to 50% of your income, is possible with the right strategies. In this video, you'll discover how to overcome these challenges without sacrificing your priorities. Because saving can be a challenge, but it doesn't have to be a sacrifice. Ready to transform your relationship with money? Keep watching and learn how small changes can lead to big results. We often hear phrases like, "You need to earn a lot to save," or "Women spend too much on frivolous things." These myths create the impression that saving is either unattainable or requires extreme sacrifices. The truth is quite different. Saving doesn't mean cutting out everything you love. It's about making conscious choices that align with what truly matters. Take my friend Lisa, for example. She loves beauty products and always said she couldn't save because she spent so much on makeup. But little by little, she adjusted her habits. She switched from expensive brands to more affordable ones and stopped buying so many products at once. By doing this, she managed to save nearly $100 a month without giving up what makes her feel good. Another common myth? Thinking that saving requires radical changes. In practice, small day-to-day actions, like planning purchases and avoiding waste, can lead to significant savings over the course of a month. Saving isn't about tightening the budget. It's an act of empowerment. When you save, you build a safety net, invest in your future, and prepare yourself to seize opportunities. Don't let myths define what you can achieve financially, because the control is in your hands. Practical strategies to save up to 50% of your income. 1. Reduce beauty and fashion costs without losing style. Instead of spending on fleeting trends, invest in basic, high-quality pieces that work well together. For beauty care, explore options like affordable brands, multi-purpose products, and DIY tutorials, a budget-friendly and fun way to revamp your look. 2. Planning is essential for moms. If you're a mom, you know how unpredictable children's expenses can be. Take advantage of discounts on essentials, shop early, and, if possible, trade or borrow items from other moms. These actions not only save money, but also strengthen community bonds. A friend of mine, Amanda, does this all the time. She started planning her purchases of clothes and toys for her kids more carefully. Today, she uses Facebook groups to trade items with other moms. Not only does she save a lot, but she also loves the sense of helping other families in the process. 3. Automate your savings. Set aside a portion of your income as soon as your paycheck hits. Start with a comfortable percentage, even 5% makes a difference, and gradually increase it. Automation is an effortless way to save. 4. Set clear and realistic financial goals. Saving without a goal can feel demotivating. Create specific goals like save $500 for a vacation or save $1,000 for an emergency fund. Knowing where you're headed makes it easier to stay focused. 5. Cut back on impulse purchases. Before making any unplanned purchase, ask yourself, do I really need this right now? Most of the time, the answer will be no. And when the urge to spend arises, give yourself 24 hours to think it over. This pause prevents unnecessary expenses. 6. Rethink small, costly habits. Swap your daily Starbucks coffee for a homemade brew. Saving $5 a day can add up to $150 a month. Cut down on frequent delivery orders or cancel subscriptions you barely use. Small adjustments can make a big difference. These strategies aren't about giving up what you love, but rather about adjusting priorities and finding balance. Small, consistent changes lead to significant results over time. How to tackle income inequalities while saving. 1. Know your worth. Research your average salary using tools like Glassdoor or LinkedIn. With concrete data, you'll be better prepared to negotiate raises. 2. Negotiate with confidence. Highlight the impact you bring to your company, achievements, challenges overcome. Negotiating isn't a favor, it's a professional conversation based on facts. 3. Create alternative income streams. Freelance work, selling unused items, or turning hobbies into income are great ways to ease your budget and boost savings. My neighbor Claire started selling decorated cakes to friends on weekends. She started small, with little investment, and now uses that extra money to pay for her son's swimming lessons. It's extra income that makes a big difference for her. 4. Adjust your budget to your reality. Categorize your expenses as essential, important, and optional. Cut back on the last category to prioritize savings and build financial security. 5. Invest in financial and professional education. Learning how to better manage your income and investing in courses that expand your career opportunities are investments worth every penny. Tackling income inequalities while saving is a challenge, but each small victory, a raise, a savings milestone, or paying off a debt, brings you closer to your goals. My neighbor Claire started selling decorated cakes to friends on weekends. She started small, with little investment, and now uses that extra money to pay for her son's swimming lessons. It's extra income that makes a big difference for her. 4. Adjust your budget to your reality. Categorize your expenses as essential, important, and optional. Cut back on the last category to prioritize savings and build financial security. 5. Invest in financial and professional education. Learning how to better manage your income and investing in courses that expand your career opportunities are investments worth every penny. Tackling income inequalities while saving is a challenge, but each small victory, a raise, a savings milestone, or paying off a debt, brings you closer to your goals. How to create sustainable financial habits. 1. Automate everything. Set up automatic transfers for savings and essential bill payments. Removing emotion from financial decisions makes the process more consistent. 2. Practice mindful budgeting. Adopt methods like the 50-30-20 rule, 50% of income for needs, 30% for wants, and 20% for savings. This model is flexible and practical. 3. Build an emergency fund. Prioritize saving enough to cover at least 3 months of fixed expenses. It will protect you from unexpected events like job loss or medical emergencies. 4. Review your finances regularly. Choose one day a month to review your finances. Analyze your spending, track your savings progress, and adjust your budget as needed. 5. Celebrate small wins. Save 10% of your income? Great job. Paid off a debt? Celebrate. Acknowledging these achievements keeps you motivated. Over time, these habits become automatic and make financial control a natural part of your life. Saving up to 50% of your income is more than a goal. It's about creating freedom and financial security. Review your finances, set an initial goal, and take that first step. The future you want starts with the choices you make today. Rewatch this video, jot down the strategies you're ready to implement, and keep your goals visible to stay motivated every day. If you have suggestions for new topics, share them in the comments. I'd love to hear from you. That's it for today. I hope you enjoyed it, and I'll see you in the next video.